Hello and welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how I create painted tiles. Let's get started. The image I'm using is from laser-pics.com and it's free. There are hundreds of great images available. I've linked the image I used in the video description. When I find a good image, I click it. You can download either the prepared version or the original. Since I want to use it for tiles and prepare it with you, I download the original. Once it's downloaded, I go to ImagR.com to prepare it. Scroll down, click the upload button, and upload the original image as grayscale. I resize the image to be slightly larger than my tile, so it's easier to position later. My tile is 150 millimeters, so I set the image to 155 millimeters. Next, I choose the algorithm. In my case, I use the Kasia white tile painted black algorithm. We use one touch on tiles as well, so I open the drop-down and disable the denoise and sharpen option. This automatically fixes shadows and lighting and makes the image more vibrant. Now I download the file as a PNG. That's all we need to do in ImagR. Let's open the laser software and import the downloaded file. For my 80-watt CO2 laser, I use 300 millimeters per second, 10% maximum power, and 1% minimum power. Make sure the pass-through option is active. If it isn't, the software will process the already prepared image again and ruin the preparation we did in ImagR. Now, let's paint the tile. First, I spray a glossy white base coat. After 30 minutes of drying, I apply the black top coat, also a glossy spray paint. I place a piece of paper in the work area and fix it with magnets. I draw a rectangle with the same size as my prepared image and cut it quickly so the paper doesn't start burning. Now I know exactly where to place the tile. I remove the cutout and place the tile inside the rectangle. I use my digital caliper to make sure the focus is perfect. Finally, I run the job. As you can already see, it's going to look fantastic. When it's finished, I use a soft brush to remove any residue, and there it is. A stunning painted tile with a gorgeous glossy finish. Depending on the light, it reflects beautifully. It's a real eye-catcher. And with a stand, it's a great piece of decor for your home or a perfect gift for friends and family. I hope you enjoyed the video and give it a try. It's one of the easiest projects you can do with your laser. This also works with diode and fiber lasers. I'm looking forward to your creations. If you enjoy our content, please leave a like and subscribe so you never miss future videos. If you have ideas for upcoming videos, let us know. We'll try to make them as soon as possible. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.